Hello everybody, my name is Matt Milmine from Camelback High School. If you received the link to this video through Remind, it's because you're currently either a student or parent within my anatomy and physiology class at Camelback High School, whether that's first, second, or fourth period for the first part of the school year. What I wanted to show you in this video, aside from a quick introduction to myself, so you can see my face, is show you how you can actually sign into your classes on Monday so that you're not lost in that confusion. I wanted to kind of put you at ease a little bit. Perhaps you've seen this already, perhaps you know how to do this already, perhaps you don't. So what you're going to want to do is open up the Microsoft Teams platform, and you definitely want to, if possible, use the one that's loaded onto your computer. For me, I have the Microsoft Teams icon down at the bottom here. You might have it as one of the tiles on your desktop, like you can see off to the left side of my screen here, or perhaps you might even have to open up the Start menu and find it off to the left. You can get onto Teams by going to the district website and signing in there, but the way that it's laid out is a little bit different than it is through the app. And from what I gathered, it seems like the app is a little bit more user-friendly. Hopefully that helps you out a little bit. So I'm going to go to my Microsoft Teams, and when you log in, yours will look something probably similar to this. You'll have these different icons on the bottom. To find your classes, you want to click on the Teams link, and that will take you to some tiles. You probably will only have maybe 3 or 4, but here's my first hour class, Q1 period 1-Milmine, my fourth period, and my second period. To find me on Monday, you would just need to go to the class that you're in. If it's fourth hour, you just log in the fourth hour. I will already have a meeting set up and running. I'm going to start one right now so you can see what that would look like. So join, and there we go. You'll just see this blue bar that says join. If you just click join, you'll be right in there with me. You want to make sure that the room that you're in is the general room. You can see that there's a little camera icon now that I actually have started the meeting. But if you just happen to be on group B, you're in the wrong spot, you want to click on general. Once you get there, click join, and you'll be right there in with me. I'm going to be pushing this video out Friday afternoon. If you want to get in Teams anytime this weekend, play around with the class team, check things out, feel free to do so. If you want to reach out to me, not an issue. I'll be in and out all weekend, kind of working on stuff and tweaking things and playing around a little bit. So thank you for your time. I hope we have a great school year.